Over a time period of 3 weeks, we will have 2,300 customers and dealers visiting Volvo Days.
That's one very strong picture I have. The new thing this year is actually that we incorporate the knowledge about the machines into the show in terms of a speaker.
You're driving the biggest one of the range. What's your favorite thing about it?
And operator comfort is almost to drive a Volvo XC90, maybe better.
At Volvo Days, we use our permanent test driving stations. In addition, we also open up for test driving, welcoming for example. It gets the customer get the opportunity to feel the product, get inside the cab with our experts and ask all the questions. Also very important is Volvo services. They are also available out on the demo field with their own stations where they have presentations in different subjects.
I think, of course, it's nice for our customer to come here, but also to demonstrate what we're able to do, where we are when it comes to the products, where we are when it comes to the services, and also show them that we are really interested in and close to our customers and the needs from the customers. So I think it's really demonstrate all of this.